In this video, I'll explain how to use transcription feature in Zoom. Let's dive in. Once you're in a meeting, look for the caption button at the bottom of your screen. And if you don't find this button, so just hit this more, you'll find the caption button right here. And before you enable captions, make sure to change the language settings to English. And once you're ready, just simply click on this caption button. As you can see, the transcribe text is appearing at the bottom of your screen. If you want to enable captions itself, this is more than enough. However, this transcribe text is not saved at this moment. So if you want to export the transcribed text, make sure to hit record button. There's one important thing to keep in mind. Only the text after hit recorded is exported as a file. So meaning that all the transcribed text before recording is not available. So it is very important, so keep that in mind. And once you finish the meeting, hit the record button and stop recording. And then when the meeting ends, close the meeting entirely. The file will export it automatically, and you'll find the transcribed text as a BTT file like this. It's named same as the video file, but the file type is different. It is a very simple process, isn't it? Thank you for watching.